Would you trust me with your heart and faith? If love had a promise, would I be the one to keep you safe? If love had a promise, would you trust me with your heart and faith? Would you let me be the one who holds you tight? Yeah, I'll hold you down all through the night. If love had a promise, would you trust me with your heart and faith? This pain, when you're gone, nothing feels quite the same. We had something precious, but you threw it all away. Now if a break could bring you back to me, would you take my hand and say you're sorry? Would you give us one more chance to be? Tell me why you left me broken when I gave you all my soul. Tell me why you left me broken when you said you'd never go. Would you take back all the words you said that night time? Yeah, and make it feel alright. Tell me why you left me broken when you said you'd never go. Tell me if time could turn around now, we get back what we used to share. If time could turn around now, would you meet me halfway there? If time could turn around now, would we get back what we used to share? If time could turn around now, would you meet me halfway there? If time could tell me how we let it slip away. Every vibe just fading day by day. We had the perfect moment, but we let it go unspoken. If tomorrow breaks the final scene, would you hold me close and tell me so? Would you show me what we could have been? If time could turn around now, dancing till we were tired, giving me all of the time, finding the way that we move. You don't have to think it through. You don't have to think it through. Last night when we lost control, body moving, heart and soul. Last night when you pulled me close. Last night when I wanted more. you call